What's going on, everybody? So just sitting here talking, and haven't been on here, haven't made many videos in quite a while. Be honest with you, I just haven't done much hunting, really haven't done much trapping. What trapping I have been doing, I just haven't taken the GoPro. But took the GoPro today, busted the GoPro back out, and then videoed a little bit. You'll see the videos here in a second, those clips. But I'm sitting there talking, trying to figure out what direction to do the channels. I want to get the channel to grow, but obviously hunting season only lasts so long, and again, I didn't do much hunting. Trapping season only lasts so long, and haven't done much trapping. Did a little bit at one farm. Other than that, I've just been trying to hammer on some beavers for people. So trying to figure out what direction to do. So I figure outdoors, that kind of encompasses a lot of stuff. So what we'll try to do is start filming more, start putting more content on here. Not just hunting or trapping, but doing stuff outdoors, shooting guns, blowing stuff up. Who knows what we're going to do. Got some traveling coming up, so still trying to get some fishing in there, depending on where I end up traveling. But yeah, so we'll see what happens. We're going to try and get something going here. A lot going on. Had a new grandbaby not long ago. I'm going to even put some videos of him on here. But anyway, I've had a lot going on, but we're going to try and get some stuff rolling and try and get something going, get a little bit of community build up, see what we can do with it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we're going to show a little bit of beaver clips right now. This one was in there. Definitely little guys. Trap got his whole thigh. That's all right though. We get him. Just a little fella. Yeah, this again, all this water's shallow. So this spot right here is where they were coming out already, going around the base of this tree. So I did put a little caster mound set here. I didn't put anything on that one, nothing on that one, and I got caster on the dam. Hardest part of getting these damn rods to stick in that water. That dirt. Tell you what, these These Beaver rods from J3 Outdoors. It's a hell of a lot better than carrying brake rotors and center blocks in the woods. That's for sure. So right down in there. All right, we'll go over here and get this one out.
Tiny
Smaller
guy.
than that one. Little guy. Almost had a head catch on him. The trap's so much bigger because Paul's still on the pan. You know what though? The little ones get bigger. And the little ones tear stuff up too. So. These are a couple bridger traps. Excellent trap. Nice and big. Perfect for them back feet. But work good on them. This thing was pain yesterday. Real hard sandy ground. Figures to be back before. We'll deal with it. Now you just want to make sure that rod, that latch slides smooth. Not the biggest beaver, but we'll take them. Well, we made it back to the truck.
A little wet.
Somebody got wet feet.
Lesson learned, don't forget your waders.
With the 2 monster beaver. But they all count. They all count. So they're wrecking havoc up here in this place, flooding out some roads. And so they got to go. So anyway, we'll come back tomorrow after work, see what we got.